Mike Hughes here. I'm at Go West Diving in Curacao, or is it Cell? How are we saying that, Christine?
Curacao.
Curacao. Yeah. Okay. And also we have All West apartments here as well. And the dive resort is at the tip of the map. If we look down here, we go. If you're looking at Curacao from back here or south, and we go all the way to the very end here. The tip is where.
The tip of the west. Yeah.
Tip of the west end is where the shop is.
Yep.
And where you can rent nitrox, regular, air rental equipment, and
Full service dive shop.
plus the house reef that a lot of people like to go down to.
Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland. Yes. Quite famous, actually, that reef.
We have a giant Chi-Chi doll on the
We have crux.
Alice in Wonderland reef now too.
When did that?
2 years ago.
2 years. Hello, during the pandemic.
Yep.
Okay, so there's been renovations under the reef as well.
Underwater.
And then the other thing is they're in conjunction with All West apartments, and you can see a sign here. You'll see more if you go to the website, and you can see that it's way above the shoreline, but you can walk down, and there's a beautiful house reef you can dive off to, and the name of that house reef has two names. Wasn't it a regular name? Well, we'll just go with house reef right now, plus the 11 units that are at the on-site apartment
And all the
complex.
turtles that are on our house reef at All West.
So that's for the place to see the turtles.
Yeah.
Cool. And if they want more information about either the diving center or the reef, they can go to, well, gowestdiving.com.
Or allwestcuracao.com.
Okay. Which is right. Well, it'll show there. Okay, well, I think we wrapped it up. Thank you very much.